Hi, it's Tanmay here, and today we are going to have a look on the new HP Envy X360 13-inch 2020 edition Ultrabook with the Ryzen 5 4500U processor. This is the Indian edition with the MPP 2.0 Zenvo pen and the Microsoft Office 2019 included. So here is the box, and here you can see is the spec sheet. So it has a full 400 nit Full HD IPS LCD display with HDR support, and it has a 8GB DDR4 dual channel 3200 MHz RAM, 512 gigs of Samsung Evo Pro for OEM NVMe SSD, RX Vega 6 graphics, and a 51 Wh battery. So let's open this up. So here's the device, and here are the peripherals. Here's the charger, and it's not the slim charger found internationally. It's a little bit bigger than that, but it's also 65 watt and it's lightweight. And yeah, it's a barrel pin charger. It's not USB type C. Let's keep it aside. And here's the pen. The pen itself is USB type C rechargeable, and it comes with two extra tips. Here is the pen's charging cable. It's a type C to type C cable for charging. Here are its instructions. Now let's open up the device. So here's the device itself. Very premium look. It's totally made of aluminum, and it weighs 1.25 kg. It's the lightest and the smallest convertible in the market right now. And as for the ports, it has a full-size USB type A port with a drop-down hinge mechanism, and it also has a type C port, a headphone mic and headphone microphone jack. And here on this side there is another USB A port and a micro SD slot, and here is the barrel pin charger connector. So the type C port on this device, it also supports charging and display port out. On the bottom we have the intake bands, and on the back of the device this is the exhaust grill. Now let's open and boot it up. So yeah, as you can see, the keyboard is backlight with two levels of backlighting, a fingerprint scanner in place of the right control key, and you can see as it boots in less than 10 seconds. I've used this device for a day and it wakes from sleep in just a second. The touchscreen is very good, and so is the keyboard. And here we have the dedicated microphone buttons for the microphone and the camera shutter. Yes, this has a physical electronic camera shutter activated by a button, ensuring privacy for those who work from home. So as you can see, there's no problem with the fingerprint sensor. It's very fast and accurate. And as far as the privacy shutter is concerned, when I'm pressing the button, when I press the button, a physical white colored shutter comes out on the camera, and so you can see that it's activated. Also, it also disconnects the camera from the system, so you don't have to worry about your camera being hacked or anything like that. This is a very good feature ensuring privacy for these work from home times. Now In the display settings, as you can see, it supports HDR playback. I have updated the drivers from Windows Update and HP Support Assist, and there's no any kind of issue in video playback. The screen also covers 100% of sRBG, and it's great for even photo and video editing. For the pen, it's very good. Now, as for the pen, here it's USB Type-C charger. When it's connected, the back of this device glows red in showing that it's charging. It supports more than 4000 levels of pressure sensitivity, and it also supports tilt. It has 2 buttons which can be customized in the HP Pen app. So let's convert it to tablet mode. So as you can see, the pen supports tilt. And as for writing, it just feels like a real pen on paper. It takes some time getting used to, but the pen is really very good. In the tablet mode, the device is almost the same size as the iPad Pro 12-inch, but as this thing has a 16:9 aspect ratio, so it's bit taller than wider. Otherwise, the size of this and the iPad Pro 12-inch are almost the same. It weighs around 2 times that of the iPad Pro. For the thermals, this button here activates the HP Command Center, and you can decide whether you want performance or a cool device. I want my device to be as cool when I use it, so I keep it in the comfort mode, and the temperature never raises for more than 35 degrees Celsius. The new Ryzen processor is really good with the thermals. The Ryzen is also really good with the battery, and I updated the device yesterday. It restarted many times. Still, it lasted for about 8 hours. On normal uses, you will get 10 to 12 hours of battery life easily with this device, so it's good enough for your whole weekend. The Ryzen 5 4500U processor is also praised for its gaming performance, and we'll have a look at that in the full review of the device, so please don't forget to subscribe for that. Now for the price of this device. So this device, its available online price is 80,000 rupees from the HP online store. I got it from the HP World Store in Kolkata for 75,000 rupees, or about $1,000, which make the device very premium, but it's still less than other ultrabooks on the market right now, which cost more than 1 lakh. Those devices which cost more than 1 lakh, they still don't have the performance near to this machine. So this is a tablet, this is a great portable laptop, and it's powerful enough to play games too, and all this in such a small and light package. It justifies the price. And as for the pen, yes, it can be magnetically attached to any side of this device. It magnetically attaches anywhere, so yeah, it's easy to carry it around. So that's it for today. Please do subscribe and comment, share for more videos and its full review, which is about to come. Thanks a ton for watching. Namaste. Jai Hind.